What's up, everybody? So today I'm here with Miguel again, except this time he's going to be giving us a tour of Hustle Got Real. And so he just gave me a quick run through, and I will say that it is unique. I'm used to all the dropshipping tools looking exactly the same. Basically, they have a panel on the left where you navigate, and then you click on different things depending on what you're trying to do. But you spend most of your time on the website. And you're going to see in a moment that with Hustle Got Real, you actually spend most of your time on the source website, which is quite interesting.
Yeah, I'll try to go through everything that we have, like different features, so that you get an overview, an accurate overview of what we provide and the service that we do and how we can help to your dropshipping business. So basically, I'll use a test account that we have at the moment. This is the dashboard, and I'll show you basically like the main thing is listing an item. So in order to list an item, we go to the source website. In this case, we'll do Amazon, and we install a small Chrome extension here that you can see it's green. When it's green, it means that this product hasn't been listed on your site, on your eBay store, so that you can list it. If we have a look at the different product, you will see that this turns red, which means that this product has already been listed on your eBay store and you don't even need to click or anything because it's already listed. You can just ignore it and move on to the next product. So we'll go back to the green one, and let's say we want to list this item. We just click on the extension, and a new pop-up window will show up that is obtaining the data, and that's it. All the data from this product has been pulled. And as you can see, first thing is the title, where you can combine different keywords. And we are also making suggestions based on the product category and the title and the description. We are going through the description, trying to find the main keywords to help you rank higher on eBay results. So basically, there are people who just clear the title that's coming by default and just like using the keywords that we suggest. And then sorting them. So it's quite handy, as you can see, to create a nice title. And most of the keywords are very relevant to the product that we are listing at the moment. You can do, obviously, as usual, the different item specifics, the markup that you want to apply for the pricing, which comes by default from your settings, the item specifics, description, which can be completely customized and modified, the HTML code, and also the images are pulled automatically. You can finally add some settings. Once you are happy with how it looks, you just need to click on submit, and the listing will be sent to eBay directly. And then you can close this window and carry on listing. So it's very, very easy, very handy, because you don't need to be copying and pasting and then swapping windows and changing, closing. Everything is easy. It's the user interface is meant to be very simple.
Browse products and find ones that you feel are good candidates. Makes sense. Or you could even have like some kind of product research tool, and then you just identify the product and then you just move forward.
Yes. So now that you say that, we are beta testing our own product research module within Hustle Got Real, which will let you automate the listing process based on certain parameters, which is very cool. We are very excited about it. But we'll talk about this
another time.
Yeah.
And so
basically,
Hustle Got Real works with, what marketplaces does it work with? Because I know this is Amazon UK.
Yeah.
But say somebody watching wants to use this and they're based in the US. What are their options?
Yes. So we support different eBay marketplaces: eBay US, France, Spain, Australia, and we are adding a few more. All of them have got different sources. For the US specifically, we support at the moment these sources. Is a complete list of sources that we support at the moment. There are still a few of them that are missing that we have added recently. And we are also open to suggestions for users who want to work with us, but we don't support the source. So we always have the option to add support for these source very easily. If you see here in the UK, we have got many different sources. There are also some of them missing, but it is quite easy for us to add support for a new source. So if your source is not on the list, feel free to get in touch and we'll do our best to implement it as soon as possible. So this is just a dashboard to give you an idea. You can have multiple eBay accounts, you can manage your subscription from here, and you have got an affiliate program where you get paid every month, a recurring payment depending on the person you've referred to the system. The main page here is the search section that will let you browse through your item based on different criteria, depending on the number of views, like items with less than 100 views that cost more than $50. You can do something like this, and the markup is less than 20, for example. So this will go through your listing and find those that meet this particular criteria. Then you can edit them in bulk, like reducing the price or adding certain item specific or parameters. It's very powerful. Then for the reporting, this is just a test account, and there is not much that we can see at the moment on this account. There are like different sources here under settings where you can specify different markup by default for each one of the sources, as well as the return, shipping, or payment policies that you want to use by default for that source. And well, different data. We added the item postcode, city, and country code because this will let you specify a location by supplier, which is important now that eBay requires you to specify a valid location for the item. So if you know that the warehouse for this store is DDD, then you can specify that here, and all the items will be listed on eBay with that location. Just an example. Then for pricing, you can define different pricing rules based on the source and the price of the item. So for example, for Amazon, for items that are more than $19 up to $30, we want to apply a markup of 50%. By just doing that, all the items on your store that meet this criteria will be applied a 50% markup on the source price. So if your pricing structure is solid, is basic, and you want to have these rules always, you can specify your rules here and everything will be updated accordingly. Obviously, there are also ways to override this rule in a specific case or item, but this is just another way for you to be able to update your items.
I have a quick question about the price from and price to. Does that mean that you can have like multiple rules? Say that I want one rule for $100 items on Amazon. I want to mark them up really high. Could I do like price from $90 to price to $110, which would mean that that rule would apply to that cost of item? Is that how that works?
Yes, that's exactly how it works.
Awesome.
Yeah, so you can play with different markups depending on the price of the item, because it's not the same 40% on a $5 item than 40% on a $500 item. You can play with that here. Right. For VA profiles, you can give access to virtual assistants to your account to list items or manage your store. At the moment, this is just, as I said, test account. There is nothing here. The Price Warrior is, again, a feature that it's a module. It's an extra module. It's the only like premium feature that we offer here that will browse eBay trying to find items from people who are copying you, like people who are trying to copy your titles. This will find them, will list them, and then will play the price war, where you will be dropping your price in 1 cent every time up to a certain level. So it does that automatically. If you want to play in those cases, this will do this for you automatically, right? This is quite popular as well. Then the bulk lister, you can paste as many URLs as you want here from Excel directly. If you paste 1,000 URLs from Excel, this will take it. And you can optionally specify an optimized title. So it will list those items with the specified title. There are certain settings as well here, like reviewing your items before they are published in case you want to make sure that the category selected is right, or you want to adjust something before it's live on eBay. Listing frequency, it allows you to list an item, let's say every 5 minutes. So if you paste 5 items here with listing frequency 5, it will list one of those items every 5 minutes so that your eBay account stays active for longer. There's, again, different settings here, but the idea here is to give the people the option to list as many products as possible in the smallest amount of time.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, because you could have a spreadsheet where you have all your URLs, and then you pay a VA to optimize the titles, and then you just upload the spreadsheet.
Exactly. So this is what like many of our users do at the moment. They create the Excel. When it's ready, they paste it here and just click on list, and this will automatically do the work. It's quite fast. We've recently updated it, and it's going really well. We're happy with this. Then we also added the mobile lister where you can list from your phone. You just need to paste the URL here, access this link, and paste the URL of the product that you want to list in here, and everything will be populated directly, the form on this screen, which is very handy as well if you are on the move. The template editor, it allows you to, well, basically editing and customizing the look and feel of your listings completely. You can completely remove or change the HTML and select it for different sources. For this particular source, I want to use this template or this other one. Very, very easy to use as well. And finally, we have got the auto ordering module, which we partnered with the VA Ninja, which is an auto ordering software, and our users can, well, auto process their orders for free if they connect their account from this link. We then we have got a great relationship with them. They are adding more and more sources so that, well, they are in line with what we provide to the users, and we are very happy. They are doing a great work. It's a new company, and we are very happy to have partnered with them. And this is basically, as I said, a quick overview on how Hustle Got Real works. Remember that we offer 30 listings completely for free, no time limit. So you are not committed. We are not even asking you for a $1 commitment or anything. We are just giving it to you for free so that you can test it with all the features. And then once you are happy, then we offer different options for you to subscribe. But just giving it a try is completely free and no strings required.
That's wicked. So for any of you guys who are interested, you can look in the description. There's a link to the Hustle Got Real software. And like Miguel just said, there's not like a free trial that expires. As long as you have less than 30 listed items, then it's free to use for you to learn and see if you like it. So you don't really have much to lose. Good.
Exactly.
Good strategy.
And of course, if you have any feedback, any ideas, or something we take very seriously, if you have any ideas for improvements or new features, please feel free to get in touch. We have got live chat. You can contact us anytime, and we'll be happy to help you.
Awesome. All right, guys. I think that's everything. We understand what's going on now. So check it out. Thanks, Miguel. I really appreciate this.
Thank you, Jack. Again.
I'm sure my audience does as well.
Thank
See you guys.
Thank you.